Our next tour is the 2-bedroom ocean view. You'll find these suites luxurious and detailed in decor and furnishings, with marble floors throughout. All units also have full-size washer and dryers. The gourmet kitchen has granite countertops, wine chiller, and industrial-sized sink. A dining table for 6, a spacious living area, and beautiful views from your balcony. These spacious master bedroom suites have a 4-post king bed and access to the main balcony. The large master suites have more closet space than you could ever possibly need. Large ensuite bathrooms with double vanity sinks, large stand-up shower, and a jacuzzi soaker tub. We're in the 2nd bedroom of a 2-bedroom ocean view. These bright and spacious units feature a 4-poster king bed, TV, kitchenette, and a large ensuite. The ensuites have both a tub and a shower. That concludes our tour of the 2-bedroom ocean view. I'm Caribbean Clint.